let's be sincere. If you have an office work, I am pretty sure that you are not effectively working for 8 hours straight. Even in the effective working hours, there is a lot of time lost because of sloppiness, incorrectness, inefficiency, bad email formulation. The list is endless. Let's cut the time wasters and the stress. There are several tactics you can use to make time while at work. 1. Eat your frogs early in the morning. Always target the first 2 hours of your working routine to finish the most boring, unsettling, I will do later jobs. We all have certain things to do which seem to take forever, or we tend to procrastinate. But there is an effective cure to procrastination, and that is the deadline. We have to put ourselves a deadline. Every day I shall do my things from the first moment I go to the office, and my deadline time is 10 o'clock. 2. Prepare your frogs before you sleep. Although you may be reluctant to introduce work to your sleeping routine, this 10-minute formula can sprinkle magic dust into the following day. Keep a small notebook where you write down a short list of your tasks for the next day. Keep it under 3 tasks, with a simple outline each. It helps you to stay focused and start fast the next day when you open your computer. 3. Enter a low-information diet. Try to skip all information, news, videos that are not essential to your job or threaten your life. Russia and U.S. Cold War, China's overpopulation, wars in the Middle East may sound worrisome, but there is little you can do to lessen these problems, and it only adds stress to your brain. Do you still have a soft spot for people in need? Connect to a local trusted charity, give a monthly contribution, and let go. 4. Block the time wasters and needless interruptions. Lengthy emails, lengthy calls, and lengthy conversations can start on a topic, but spread into a wide variety of issues. Here is exactly what you should do to save a lot of time. If someone calls and spontaneously passes from topic to topic without a clear outcome, you shall detect within 15 seconds and tell the person, "Excuse me, Annie, I am in the middle of something. Can you please send me a very short email about the issue? I will get back to you as soon as I can." If he or she offers to call later, just tell, "I am not sure when I am going to finish, but during the day I may have a few seconds to have a peek at my email." An email will work best. For people who send cumbersome and long emails, the same can apply. "Hello, Annie. I am currently on an extremely busy schedule. Can you kindly summarize it in 3 rows maximum? I shall be able to give a quick answer." If you are the employee, rather than the boss or colleague in the case of the call, if it sounds lengthy, propose to drop by. It is very probable that he is not as keen to hang about with his employee in person as he would through the phone, and a lengthy email may have a very simple origin, which you can easily unravel within few seconds talking with him. Liking our video so far? Then please help our work by clicking subscribe. 5. Avoid needless chit-chats. As for chit-chats, the moment you sense that the conversation is going bananas, excuse yourself by saying that you love the conversation, but that unfortunately you have something urgent to finish. Be as polite and kind as possible. Remember, your colleagues are not your friends by default. You are with those people because you share the same workplace. You did not choose any of them as a colleague or friend. It is the job that you choose. 6. Stop multitasking. Are you under the illusion that you are multitasking? So are many, and you may notice it by remarking how often you find it listed in a CV. In fact, instead of trying to do many things in parallel, you should do one task at a time. New studies show that multitasking kills your performance and may even damage your brain. Research conducted at Stanford University found that multitasking is less productive than doing a single task at a time. What about you? What is your shortcut at work? Share with us in the comments below.